Hi everyone, today we're going to work on something interesting and unique, 3D printing. My name is Jalen, this is Landon.
Hi, so we're making our own individual projects. Jalen over here is making a keychain related to PCTI, and I'm making my own phone stand for PCTI as well.
Hey, I'm Maruf, the videographer, ready to capture some cool 3D printing action. Everything's set up and ready to go. Let's get started.
Make sure we're capturing everything clearly. Landon, Jalen, check your mics, and let's keep background noise to a minimum.
This is our designs on our 3D models. This is mine, a keychain.
This is like a sketch for our phone stand. So this is like the sketch for it for my phone stand.
Great. Make sure to talk about your design choices as you go.
Oh yeah, this is looking good. Keep me updated on your progress.
Our designs are ready, time to print, but first our printer setup is crucial.
Yeah, and that's where things get interesting. The printers is usually work.
Our first print didn't stick our keychain, so I'm readjusting the keychain.
Challenges we can troubleshoot together.
Let's capture the sounds of the printer. It's a unique sound.
We're done printing, we learned a lot. 3D printing is trial and error.
It's been fun and rewarding.
I'm adding the finishing touches to the video. It's going to be awesome. Ready to share this with the world.
Great job, everyone. Let's get some final shots of the finished projects.